What did I get in this month's doTERRA LRP shipment? Well, let's open it up together. Let's open it up. Here we go. This is like Christmas in November. That's right. Singing as I open up this box. And you can see the recyclable packaging, and I didn't have my trash can for recycling or my recycling bin here, but we're just going to place all this off to the side. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I got a very basic shipment this month, but you'll see what I got. All right, so I'm going to open it up. I'm gonna just take everything out because that's what's easy. So you can see me moving it all out. All right, I do recycle everything in here, so and trying to be environmentally conscious. Here's a little ASMR for you. That's right, doTERRA packaging ASMR. All right, so we're gonna put that away to the side right now, and we're just opening up everything. I'm getting tongue-tied because I'm so excited. All right, here we go. So just opening it up, placing everything out, and that's pretty much it. So we have the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan version. Obviously, you can get whatever you want. I choose this one. I choose you. All right, so we're going to open it up with the various tools that I have, and we're gonna prep everything. So, you know, part of it is ordering it. You know, that's the that's the easy part. The actually harder part is opening up, which is actually not that bad. As you see, I opened it up. It's very much like opening a present, in my opinion. And, ooh, I need to clean this out. Okay, anyways. Fortunately, we're just opening it so we can get the top off. But the more difficult part is, I would say, consolidating or prepping, which is consolidating, and then actually using consistently. I think that's the biggest thing. But we'll cover Alpha CRS Plus right here. This is the Cellular Vitality Complex. That's right. And so this is a proprietary formula of food-derived ingredients combining potent levels of powerful polyphenols and standardized botanical extracts that support healthy cell proliferation and lifespan with important metabolic factors of cellular energy. Alpha CRS Plus is formulated to be used daily with the Microplex VMZ, boom, right there, and the XE Omega, or VE Omega in my case. Oh, that's right. And so as a comprehensive dietary supplement foundation for a lifetime, that's right, a lifetime of vitality and wellness, made with HPMC vegetable capsules, and directions for use are adults would take 4 capsules per day with food, and that's the same for all these. It's 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these, but you split it up into, that's right, AM and PM capsule holders. I like to take mine in the morning, you know, and then one in the afternoon. Not at night, because it might keep you up with all that cellular proliferation and energy. And helping your mitochondria, which are like the little engines of your cells. That's right. And so, boom, there we go. So that's open. And what I'm going to do as I talk is actually, that's right, take last month's Alpha CRS Plus and consolidate. Yes! Oh, okay, getting excited again. Okay, there's only a few. And so I just consolidate. I'm going to throw that into the recycling bin. And so this one has been semi-processed. We're gonna put all these up here, and then there we go. I'm gonna put these right there so you can see them. And then the next one we're gonna do is VE Omega. So open it up, get all semi-aggressive with it, but gentle. You know what I'm saying? Gentle. Open up this right now. There we go. Just remove the packaging here. Okay, well, do you want some ASMR packaging opening up? Okay, here we go. You like that? You like that? You like that? I'm working on I'm trying to be like those ASMR people out there. Anyways, so we have VE Omega Essential Oil Complex. So This is a unique formula of plant omega fatty acids for all the haters out there who say you can't get your omegas from plants. This is it right here. carotenoids, and natural vitamins E and D, which are deficient in many American diets, might I add. With a proprietary CPTG essential oil blend that supports healthy cardiovascular, immune. I'm going to say the immune part again because the people in the back didn't hear it, especially during the in 2020. And if there's anything in the future, which there probably will be, it's good for immune. I'm going to zoom in because I think the people in the back didn't hear it. Immune, pointing to it, joint and brain function, which I think some people could use that as well. I'm going to just point to the word that people could use, especially with, critical thinking and problem solving skills. If they watch the media too much and blow things out of proportion, these are a healthy bodily solution to help with your all the areas that were just mentioned. And the CPTG oils are clove, frankincense or Frankie, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, German chamomile. You can see there's other ingredients here. Some were already mentioned. Okay, now we're going to consolidate because that's what we do. And so I'm going to consolidate here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, consolidation from last month's bottle. So we're going to recycle that and then we're good. Now we're going to just place this off to the side. This has been semi-processed. All right. In the sense that I still got another step involved, which is basically putting those in the AM, PM capsule holders, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Now we're opening up the Vegan Microplex VMZ. Yes. Okay. You like the sound effects. I know you do. All right. So here we go. It really helps me get things, situated. Okay. So then take the packaging off. All right. And so we're going to read this off because this is very important. This is very important. All right. So we're going to take 4 capsules per day. I prefer morning, 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon with food. And why you take it with food is because it's more easily absorbable. And this is made with HPMC vegetable capsules. It says, note, pregnant or nursing women and people with known medical conditions should consult a physician before using. Okay, want to play it on the safe side. I see that. And do not use if safety seal is broken or missing. Yeah, store in a cool, dry place. Yeah, that's good information. As you can see, there's a lot of whole food, plant-based, vitamins and minerals to support. You might be able to see it. I don't know if there's glare, but just take my word for it. You got, all the alphabet up in here pretty much. And then you got a proprietary whole food blend. You got active enzyme blend, which helps break down foods, fats, proteins, carbs, all that good stuff. And then a tummy tamer blend with caraway. You got ginger and peppermint. So supporting your digestion, supporting your cells. Yeah. Let's consolidate while we're on the topic here. We're just going to take last month's, whatever was remaining, and consolidate. So not that much. That was good. So we're going to place that over there for the recycling area, because that's how we do. And this one's pretty full. This one's got a lot. Okay, that's all good though. That's cool. Just close that right there. And then we have the Terrazyme enzymes. So I'm going to open up these. I like the new bottles. They're cool. I like the little amber, the amber color. It's awesome. All right, here we go. I'm telling you, the sound effects help me open this so much better. All right, so there we go. And I'm going to do both of these, both of them, that's right, both of them at the same time. That's how I roll. That's how I do. You know how I do. You see my videos. All right, here we go. Opening this one up. And I'm just going to take last month's bottle and consolidate. You got it. You beat me to it. I know you said it. You said you were like, Lance is going to consolidate. Yeah, you got it. You got it. All right, so put that in there. And then we're going to recycle this one. So there we go. And I'm going to just read. Oh, goodness, we got some plastic here. Oh, you want some more ASMR? Okay, I got you. Like that? You like that? I know you like that. That's cool. All right, anyways, we did that. So these are the digestive enzyme complex, supports healthy digestion and metabolic processes. You can see there's enzymes protease, breaks down protein, papain, amylase, lactase, lipase, alpha G word I can't pronounce, cellulase, sucrase, betaine, another G word I cannot pronounce, anti-gluten enzyme blend, tummy tamer blend with peppermint, ginger, caraway. So basically this is going to help break down fats, carbs, protein, sugars, supports your digestion. Your body only has so much enzymes. When you cook foods, you need enzymes, and you don't want to always rely on your body because your body's going to run out or not have enough. So, but I'll read this so you have a more professional description, which says a proprietary blend of whole food digestive enzymes and mineral cofactors that are often deficient in cooked, processed, and preservative-laden foods. Excuse me. doTERRA Terrazyme is formulated to support healthy digestion and metabolism of macronutrients. Yeah, that's all right there. I mean, the glare is glaring, but it's there. And made with HPMC vegetable capsules. Directions: take 1 to 3 capsules with meals. I would say if your meal is 1/3 cooked, take one. Ideally 30 minutes before the meal. Lays a bed of enzymes on the bottom of your stomach, and then eat the food. Helps with absorption as well when you eat it with food. And then if your meal is like 2/3 cooked, if we're thinking like a plate here or a pie chart, of food, then 2 capsules. And then if your meal is all the way cooked, 3 capsules per meal. You got it? I know you do. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there's that, and these have been, that's right, say it with me, semi-processed. All right, meaning semi-processed, meaning like they're almost ready to go for the final step. Not. You know what I'm saying. All right, so we're just opening this up here. This is the PB Assist Plus. I feel like they're using the, oh goodness, that was, The new bottles look kind of cool. I've seen the new bottles online. I wonder when they're going to give me the new bottles, but it's okay. I mean, they all got the goods inside, and they're all getting recycled anyway, so it's all good. All right, so these are the capsules. I'm going to just show you this because it's pretty cool. They're, see if I can zoom in here. There we go. They're double encapsulated. Why, you may ask? Well, I'm so glad you asked. All right, so the PB Assist Plus is a proprietary formula of prebiotic fiber and 6 strains of probiotic microorganisms in a unique double-layer vegetable capsule. It's because, they got to get through your stomach acid layer so that they don't die with the acid in your stomach and get to the small intestines. That's why. Delivering 6 billions and billions. Okay, CFUs of active probiotic cultures and a soluble prebiotic fiber that encourages culture adhesion and growth. And so the time-release system protects sensitive probiotic cultures from stomach acid, like I was saying earlier. Actually, this is better than what I was saying. And is safe for your whole family. Not a little bit of family, your whole family. You can see all the beneficial microorganisms it is delivering to your digestive system and supporting, that's right, your immune system, because this is a probiotic defense formula that supports healthy digestive functions and immunities. Why, Lance, do you focus so much on the immune system? Well, it's that time of the year when people get the not the from 2020, but the from seasonal, you know what I'm saying? So but they don't ever think about getting this stuff. You do, because you're smart and you're watching this video all the way to this point, which I respect. But other people don't, and they don't get this stuff. But you do. You're smart. You've watched this video this long. You are very smart, and you have a great attention span. All right, so we're going to now finish this up and just basically put these into my AM/PM capsule holders, and that will complete my week. So you want to set your week up for success. This is one. I mean, I got this at Walmart. I mean, you can get these anywhere, but this is highly recommended. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so difficult. This is so a first world problem. All right, anyways, we're putting that there, and we're just going to put 2 in each area. So I want to make sure you can see the camera. There we go. So 2 here, 2 here. We got 2 here, 1 there, but then we're gonna put the other one, and then 2 more, boom, boom, and then boom, 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 and then putting some sound effects. Okay, so 2, so that's good, of the Alpha CRS Plus. All right, so that's been good. Now we're just gonna put that off in the camera so I know that's already been taken care of. Now we have the VE Omega, just placing that in there. 2 on the doing each one here, just doing the work. You know what I mean? This is work. But this is, you know what this is? This is self-care. This is preparation and self-care, which I love. All right, Microplex VMZ. Self-love too. You got to love yourself by giving yourself the necessary things to set your cells up for success. I think I watched a video one time with white blood cells and how they're just like eating harmful microorganisms and just like taking care of the body, and just like anything bad that comes in, it's just like taking care of it. I'm like, oh, these little things love us, you know, they're just in our body trying to help protect us, and we're over here not, you know, taking care of ourselves. I mean, you are, because you're watching this video, and you know, all the way. And then I'm gonna just put 1 PB Assist Plus, or the probiotic formula, into each day, so that way I do 1 a day. Now, and you know, ideally I would get more of these. I just don't, but you know, it's best to get more. And then again, I take these on an as needed basis with the foods I eat. And then we're just gonna put the final step, the final countdown, the final touch of putting this back in. Here we go. And they stuck. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, do you want the pill capsule closing ASMR? Okay, I knew you did. I know. Here we go. I'm gonna open them back up too. Here we go. Then I'm gonna close them. Oh, I'm gonna close them back again. Here we go. Oh gosh, that's so satisfying. Who doesn't love ASMR? You do. I do. We all do. Come on, secretly. All right. So that's it. That's this month. I have the week prepared. The week is set up for success. I've consolidated. You know what I mean? I've got my, you know, when I eat cooked meals, I'm good. You know, and this doesn't even include any essential oils. We didn't even. I mean, we'll do that. We'll do that next month, okay? But I already have a lot of oils from like a previous month, so but there's oils in here, so we're good. But I'm just saying we'll do some more oils. I just want to show this because this makes wellness a lifestyle, and this really does make a difference. When I don't take these, I can feel it, and I hope you make wellness a lifestyle and continue to do so, not just 1 month, not just 1 year, but many years. I've been with doTERRA since, oh goodness, like November of 2013. So good night, about 11 years. That's crazy. And I love it. I love it. And I thank you so much for watching as well for this far. And hope you have a great rest of your day. And let me know in the comment section as I zoom in closer and closer to make wellness a lifestyle for you, as we get closer to making this a reality for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Woo!